Skip the Starbucks egg bites and make your own egg muffins in an air fryer under 10 minutes. And these are perfect for your busy mornings and perfect for meal prep too. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Healthy Eats with Priya, where healthy meets deliciousness. I'm very excited about this video because I'm starting my brand new series of air fryer breakfast, and I'm kickstarting this series today with simple, versatile egg bites or egg muffins. Perfect for you and your family in those busy mornings. And guess what? These are perfect for meal prep too. So let's jump right into the recipe. Okay, so let's look at the ingredients. The star ingredient, of course, we're making egg bites, are our eggs. So we're going to use organic cage-free eggs. I'm also going to be using some cheese. Guess what? That's what gives it that nice, fluffy, cheesy texture. So I'm going to be using the mozzarella cheese. You can use any cheese of your choice. I'm also using the assorted bell peppers. You can throw in any veggies of your choice, spinach, mushrooms, whatever you want. And then I'm also going to be using bites of this ground turkey meatballs. If you guys have seen my previous video, actually that was my first video where I made the ground turkey meatballs. Super easy to make. Again, very good for meal prep. So guess what? I made this yesterday and I'm going to be using this in this recipe. So versatile itself. And I'm also going to be using a little bit of this non-fat organic milk. You can use coconut milk, almond milk, whatever you want, or you could skip it altogether. For spices, I'm keeping it very simple: salt, black pepper, and some chili blend. So let's start making our egg bites. I'm super excited. So I'm going to crack 5 eggs in a bowl. For this video, I'm using all 5 egg yolks, but again, if you want to remove few of the yolks, because I typically don't use so many yolks, you can always remove it. For this, let's just use all the eggs and whisk it. Alright, as simple as that. And then I'm adding a little bit of milk. Again, like I said, this is an optional ingredient. You can completely skip it, but it's going to give it this really nice, fluffy texture. And I'm just going to whisk it until it's kind of like airy. Oh my gosh, yes. And now I'm going to put black pepper, salt, and then a little bit of chili blend. Mix it all together. Awesome. Now I'm going to throw in my assorted bell peppers. I love vegetables. Fun fact about me, even when I do scrambled eggs or omelette, I throw in so many veggies in there. So it's like starting my day with eggs, which is protein, and lots of vegetables, which is like so good for you. And then I'm also going to be throwing in half a cup of my shredded mozzarella cheese. And guys, like I said, here I'm upping the protein content. So I'm also going to do small bites of ground turkey meatballs. Again, if you have anyone in your family who's vegetarian, you can skip this step. And like I said, these egg bites are so versatile and family friendly. So when I make it for my daughter, I literally use eggs, milk, and cheese. Very simple, but she gets a really nice breakfast on the go. Let's mix it all together and boom, that is it. Super easy, didn't I tell you that? Looking amazing. Time to pour the egg mixture in the silicone egg muffin mold. Again, anyone, if you don't have this silicone mold, don't worry. You can put any oven-safe bowl or even ramekins in the air fryer and you'll be good. So before you pour your mixture, let's generously spray our olive oil on the silicone mold so it doesn't stick. And now I'm going to pour the mixture. Make sure you're only filling 3 by 4 because these muffins will rise as they cook, guys. Alright everyone, I've poured this 3 by 4 because these muffins will rise in the air fryer. And like I said, just imagine the amount of money you can save rather than going to Starbucks, you make your own egg muffins at home. Not only you save money, these are like completely made with fresh ingredients, zero preservatives, so good for your family, so versatile. Oh my god, what else do we need? Alright, so I have already preheated my air fryer to 325 and I'm going to throw this in for about 10 to 12 minutes. Let's go ahead. Okay, like I said, I'm going to put in these egg muffins for about 10 to 12 minutes. So I've set the timer for about 12 minutes, but I'm going to check in around 10 minutes because we want to make sure our eggs are not getting overcooked and you don't want a burnt look. So I would recommend keep checking. All right, time to take our egg muffins out. Oh my god, they look so good. All right, so I let the muffins cool for about 2-3 minutes and then pull them out. And oh my god, look at this, guys. And I love it because the outer layer is crispy and then the entire muffin is perfectly cooked. So how beautiful these egg muffins are looking. And I just want to take a moment to show you guys the texture. Look at that, guys. Ooh, so perfectly cooked. Now I'm going to take a bite. Again, I'm not using any sauce because I'm someone who can really eat without sauces, but you can always use your own dipping, ketchup, whatever you want. I love it, guys. You can taste the freshness in each bite. The fresh vegetables, the ground turkey meatballs bite, fresh eggs, fresh cheese. Oh my god. I'm telling you, freshness hits different. You have to try it. And trust me, you're going to thank me because these are absolutely delicious, ready in under 10 minutes. So versatile. I don't know what else can be asked for. So everyone, this was it for today's video. I absolutely loved making these air fryer egg muffins ready in 10 minutes with all natural ingredients. High protein, almost zero carb, so perfect for your busy mornings. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. And I'll come back with another healthy, delicious, quick recipe. Bye all. Love you all.